Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Focus Assist in Windows 11, one of the most useful tools for reducing distractions. Let's get started. Focus Assist helps you stay productive by blocking notifications during important tasks. Whether you're working, gaming, or just need some peace, Focus Assist can make a huge difference. Here you have a few options. You can choose one of three modes. Off. This is the default mode where you'll receive all notifications. Priority only. Only notifications you've prioritized will appear. You can customize which apps or people are allowed to send you notifications. Alarms only. This will silence everything except alarms and critical system alerts. For priority only, click Customize Priority List. This allows you to pick which apps or people are allowed to interrupt you, ensuring you only see what's most important. Once set, you can focus on your work without distractions. As you can see, no notifications are appearing on the screen now. Only the most important things come through. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.